chopped onions, salt to taste, red chili powder, coriander powder. There goes the egg. Beat it properly. Grease the pan with some oil or ghee. Now put the batter into the pan. Now it's time for us to put the bread slices. Make sure that one side of the bread slice is properly coated with the egg. We'll wait until one side of the egg is properly cooked, and now it's time to flip. Flipping is the favorite part of my cooking. Tell me yours in the comments. Now we'll decorate our bread omelette nicely with some sliced cheese and mozzarella cheese on top of it. We'll wait until the cheese melts properly, and now we'll fold the omelette one on one bread slice. Yes, this is me struggling to fold it. Anyways, I have folded it properly. Isn't it looking mouth-watering? I know, right? It was tasty as well. Like, comment and subscribe for more.